your EVS subject and lesson number 13. So I hope you all remember what we have studied in the last video. Okay, so today we are going to see in new chapter, that is the lesson number 13, a shelter so high. Okay, children, can you tell me what are the basic needs of the human? Yes, food, clothing and shelter. Yes or no? Food, clothing and shelter. So today we are going to see something about shelter only. And can you tell me how many states are there in our India? Yes, there are 28 states in our India. Okay, so we'll go ahead and see what is the story or the lesson about. Okay, first we are going to see travelers tale. First one we are going to see travelers tale. Okay, now open page number 120 and just listen carefully. I am Gaurav Jani and this is Loner, my partner, my motorcycle, but Loner is never lonely. We are together all the time. So here the lesson is about a traveler and his name is Gaurav Jani. Okay, and he is having his partner also. Who is that partner? His motorcycle, and he has named his motorcycle as Loner. What he has named his motorcycle as? Loner. And he said that Loner is never lonely. That means his motorcycle is never alone. He is always with his partner and his partner is always with him. That is the Gaurav Jani. I and my motorcycle wait for a chance to get away from the busy, crowded and noisy city of Mumbai. I and my motorcycle, what they do? They wait a chance. For what? They are a road traveler. These both are the road travelers and they like every time to travel along the roads every corner of the world. Okay, and what happened? They find a chance to move away from the busy schedule, whatever the busy schedule is there, whatever the where they stay, they are always ready to move from that place just to visit and to take the tour of the world. So, we like to travel to different parts of the wonderful country. Let me tell you about our amazing journey on the highest roads in India. So, here they are telling us about the story where they had been for the road trip. And who was that? Gaurav Jani, the traveler, and his partner, that is the motorcycle. What is the name? Loner. Okay. Now, second we are going to see how they are getting ready. How they get ready to go to a road trip. Okay. This journey took about 2 months. Their journey took about 2 months. I had to carry everything on my motorcycle. I had to plan and collect all the things I needed. So what this traveler, that is Gaurav Jani, what he did, he used to the journey used to take 2 months for them, and according to that 2 months, now suppose if you are going for a trip, what we do? We take so many things with us, snacks, clothes, water and so many things we carry with us. Yes or no? Even if we are going for one day trip, a school trip, what our parents will do? Mummy will pack some good snacks, tiffins, है ना, different types of tiffin. मम्मी आपको टिफिन में पैक करके दे देते हैं. Yes or no? ये बुक लगने के बाद ये खाना है, आपको जूस दिया है, ये दिया है, वो दिया. And along with that also, what you do? You pack your clothes also. What all things you need. Yes or no? Even if it is one day also, you pack everything just to keep an extra with you. In the same way, their journey was of 2 months and he had to carry everything on the motorcycle. Now he was not having a bus, he was not traveling by bus or he was not traveling by four-wheeler or car like that. Okay, but he was traveling on motorcycle. So everything, whatever he used to take, he used to keep on the motorcycle. I had to plan and collect all the things I needed. I packed a small tent, sleeping bag, plastic sheet, warm clothes and food that would remain fresh for some days. What all things he took? Small tent, because he was not having any house, because he was going to a unknown place. नई जगह, वो हर जगह देखने के लिए जा रहे थे. और क्या हो गया? And what he has taken? टेंट लिया है. टेंट यानी क्या? जहाँ पे हमें एक बड़ा दो बैम्बू स्टिक्स जो लगा के हम टेंट बना सकते हैं, वैसे टेंट लिए है उन्होंने. स्लीपिंग बैग्स, जो बैग्स होते हैं स्लीपिंग के, जो लॉक करने के रेक्सिन के बैग्स होते हैं, जो गर्म होते हैं. प्लास्टिक शीट्स यानी जिधर भी बैठने के लिए कुछ डालना हो तो प्लास्टिक शीट्स डालना. वार्म क्लोथ्स एंड फूड दैट वुड रिमेन, जो खाना होता है वो खराब ना हो, ऐसे खाने की चीज वो पैक किए थे. I also took my camera and travel by motorcycle and if अगर पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया by chance तो वो immediately डाल सकते हैं, इसलिए extra bottles लेके गए. Loner and I left Mumbai passing through small villages and towns of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan to reach Delhi. Where he was going to go from Mumbai? He was going to go from Mumbai to Delhi. So it was a long journey and वहाँ से वो कौन से states पार कर रहे थे? महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, राजस्थान and then the Delhi. Okay, इतने सारे states पास करते हुए बहुत सारे चीज उनको नजर आए रास्ते में, हर एक चीज. He saw many of the things, many of different types of varieties of houses and different things he saw in different kinds of state, the different people. Okay, because the states were changing on. So we'll go ahead and see what is that. It took me 3 days to cover 1400 kilometers from Mumbai to Delhi. So Delhi और मुंबई के बीच में जो distance था वो कितना था? 1400 kilometers. हमारा स्कूल और घर कितना होता है? 1 kilometers, 2 kilometers. Yes or no? Half of the kilometers. But here he was traveling from Mumbai to Delhi for 1400 kilometers. From Mumbai to Delhi. I was hoping to see something new and different in Delhi, but Delhi looked just like Mumbai. And I am tired of looking at the same kinds of houses made of cement, bricks, glass and steel. I was looking forward to my journey ahead. I was excited that I would be able to see wooden houses, houses with sloping roofs and those covered with snow. I had seen pictures of such houses in many books. So this writer, that is Gaurav Jani, who was a traveler, he was very tired of staying in the cities. वही उठना, वही घर, वही रास्ते, वही सेम जगह, कुछ नया कुछ देखने के लिए मुझे है ही नहीं. I am tired in this noisy city. आप देखें, आपने देखा होगा मुंबई जाके कितना भीड़ होता है. Lot of rush is there, lot of what we can say pollution is there, and there is no place. If you go in some of the areas, you see that the houses are stick to one another. Okay, so इतना congested और crowded है मुंबई. So the traveler, he was of Mumbai. Gaurav Jani was of Mumbai, and he wanted to visit a place where he will find new things. जहाँ पे नए चीज उनको देखने मिलेंगे. जैसे कि क्या देखना था उनको? Wooden houses, लकड़ी के जो houses रहते हैं, हम जो बुक्स में देखते हैं, डिस्कवरी चैनल टीवी पे देखते हैं, पर हम रियल में जाके देखना था उनको कि ये कैसे टाइप के. सो वुडन हाउसेस, हाउसेस विद स्लोपिंग रूफ. स्लोपिंग रूफ मतलब क्या? इस टाइप में जो स्लोपिंग रूफ्स रहते हैं. ओके, जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं इसको कि झोपड़ी, बट झोपड़ी नहीं है वो. इट इज नॉट अ हट, बट द हाउसेस दे हैव द फ्लोर्स आल्सो हियर, बट it is the sloping roof. Okay, and those covered with the snow. He also wanted to see the houses covered with the snow. Snow मतलब क्या? आइस जो होता है ना, ऊपर से गिरता है. जैसे हमारे यहाँ बारिश होती है, वैसे कंट्रीज, अदर कंट्रीज जैसे कि जम्मू कश्मीर में वगैरह आप जाएंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि वहाँ पे बारिश किसकी होती है? बर्फ की बारिश होती है. That is snow. I had seen pictures of such houses in many books. Now I packed more things in Delhi and continued. In 2 days we were in Manali. और क्या हो गया? दिल्ली में जाने के बाद उन्होंने वहीं पे स्टॉप नहीं किया. What he did, दिल्ली में भी उन्होंने कुछ चीजें खरीदी की और खरीद करने के बाद वो कहाँ चले गए? And they again in 2 days they were in Manali. So you know Manali, you must have heard also. If not, you can go and search on Google Manali. You can see so many kinds of pictures, nice photographs are clicked there. Okay, it is a cold place. Then it was so refreshing to be in the mountains and breathe the clean air. So Manali is a mountain where it is too much cold and the air is how? The air is fresh because there is no pollution. उधर वहाँ पे कुछ गाड़ियाँ ऐसे हमारे यहाँ जैसे रश होती, भीड़ होती, वैसे कुछ नहीं है. And now the real journey was to begin. We had to travel through difficult roads of state of Jammu and Kashmir to reach the Leh in Ladakh. So where the traveler was going from Delhi, he went to Manali, and from Manali he was going to Leh Ladakh. You must have heard the Leh Ladakh. You can search on Google again the same thing. That many of the people they visit there. Why? Because you can go on your bike also. The land and the surrounding and the environment is so good that people like to go there. Okay. And as they were traveling from the roads of the state of Jammu and Kashmir to reach the Leh in Ladakh. Okay, so till here we have come to know that they are traveling to some other place from Delhi. Now what happened next we are going to see here. Now see here, find out, they have given you have to read that and try to write on your own. What it is told, check in your map which states would one pass through when traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir. Now from Mumbai to Delhi it was told, okay, which all states? Maharashtra, Gujarat and what it was? Rajasthan. So now from Mumbai to Kashmir, which all states you are going to cross, that you are going to write. You can take the help of your parents also. Okay, Gaurav Jani passed through several states while going from Mumbai to Delhi. Find the capital cities of these states. Was there any other big town on his way? Gaurav Jani was passing from several kinds of states. अलग-अलग states से वो जा रहा था. And while going from Mumbai to Delhi, okay. Find the capital of these cities. Now Mumbai to Delhi जाते हुए कौन से states आ गए थे? Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. So what you have to do? You have to write these three states capitals. You have to find out the capitals of these three states. Now Maharashtra you must be knowing only. Yes or no? Maharashtra, Mumbai. So you have to go and find the capital of other states also. Okay. Is Manali a plain or a hilly area? In which state is it? Now I have already taught you. So you have to find out the answer and you have to write. Okay. Next we are going to see new home. Now what is it? New home. Did the traveler build a new home there? No. What he did we are going to see there. Loner and I were covering long distances each day. Now first they were traveler. It was a traveler's step. So what all things he did, that it was. Now what it is? New home. So what new home he is talking about, we will see there. Okay. Loner. Who is loner? His motorcycle. And Loner and I were covering long distances each day. So they did not take rest. हाँ बाबा आज चलाई मैंने गाड़ी, आज बहुत थक गया, आज रेस्ट करता हूँ, फिर कल छोड़ के परसों जाऊँगा मैं. He did not do that. What he did? Continuously they were on the motorcycle. I and Loner were covering long distances each day. All I need was food and a tent to protect myself from the cold night air. जब रात होती थी वो क्या करते थे? They used to make the tent. उन्होंने जो सामान लेके गया था and that they used to remove and they used to make the tent. And why? Because to protect himself from the cold. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी वहाँ पे. आज हम लोग देखते हैं, yes or no? Nowadays it is too cold. We don't come out of our house after 7 o'clock in the evening, right? And in the morning also we cannot get up early in the morning. Why? Because it is very cold. We take the blanket and we want to sleep. Yes or no? And now school is also not there, so you all are enjoying that. Whenever you want, whenever you feel like watching the videos of your classes, that time you watch. Why? Because you are free for whole day. Yes or no? So what this man was doing, this person, he made the tent to protect from the cold air that was there in the night. My nylon tent was so small that I could just about to fit in that. Means what? The tent was so small, it was not like a big room, it was small. So he is telling that I was just somehow मैं कैसे तो adjust करके उसमें लेट रहा था, सो रहा था. Loner stood guard outside the house, outside the tent. The breeze and the sound of the birds woke me up to see the sunrise. So Loner जो गाड़ी था, his vehicle, so it was out. Now we also have sometimes if we stay in the apartment, if we have the watchman in our area, in the colony, what it will do? What he will do? He will guard our house. Yes or no? So in the same way, the Loner, which the vehicle was there, that vehicle it was like a guard for him because it was out of the tent. And the breeze and the sound of the early morning, you see when you get up at 6 o'clock, you hear the sounds of the birds chirping. Yes or no? Early morning you will hear the sound of them. There's different types of sounds you can hear from different types of birds. So this made the Gaurav to wake up in the morning before the sunrise. Sunrise आपने देखा है? Yes. The beautiful scene before in the morning, early in the morning. Yes or no? जहाँ से sun उगता है. Which side? Yes, east. Yes or no? The sun rises in the east, and if you see early morning, it looks very beautiful. Okay. Then next, have you ever stayed in a tent? Now these questions you have to write on your own because these questions are personal type. Okay, I may tell you, but you are going to write your own answers. That is your personal answers. If yes, you are going to write yes. If no, you are not. You are going to write no. Okay. Now, have you ever stayed in a tent? Where and what was it like? Okay. So, have you stayed? If you have stayed in a tent, you have to write there how it was and where you had stayed. Okay. Imagine that you were to stay part. Okay. Next we are going to see the cold desert. Now the cold desert, where they had reached to the cold desert. At last, Loner and I reached where? For the reached the Leh Ladakh. Where they reached now? They went to the Leh Ladakh. Okay. For the first time, I saw such an area, high, dry and flat, called as desert. Now आपने देखा होगा कि राजस्थान में जो desert है, how it is very hot. Because if we go there, we cannot survive. But the people staying there, they are habituated, they are adapted the climate, whatever it is there. Okay, we cannot stay for more than 2 to 3 days. Okay, if you are habituated with that, every now and then if you are going there, it's okay. You can have that habit. Okay, but we cannot stay there. So here the Leh Ladakh is what? High, dry and flat, called as cold desert. It is called as cold desert. Ladakh gets very little rainfall. Here the rainfall is very little, and so that's why the area, that the land is dry. Here there are high snow-capped mountains and cold and flat ground. See, here the rainfall is less, but there is snowfall. Snow-capped means what? Only the top of the mountains is covered fully with the snow, that is the ice, and cold, and it is very cold. Yes, because of the ice, the mountains are very cold, and it is a flat ground. You can see in the picture given there. In Leh, I found myself in a quiet street with beautiful white houses. As I rode slowly, I found that I was being followed by a group of children. They called out, "Jewel, Jewel," meaning welcome, welcome. They were all amazed to see my loner. Everyone wanted me to come to their home. So what happened here? When he reached to Leh, he found himself in a quiet street with beautiful white houses. There he saw that there were the houses, something different houses were there, and they were white color. And as a road means what? He is the past that road. He was passing slowly, and he found that he was being followed by a group of children. मतलब बहुत सारे बच्चे उनके पीछे लग गए थे कि अगर हम लोग भी जाएंगे, what or if any foreigner comes to our place, what we do? Even we go with them. Yes or no? How what means we feel something different with them. Yes or no? In the same way, some group of children followed Gaurav Jani and his partner, that is the loner, and they were welcoming him by saying Jewel, Jewel. Jewel means what? It is a word which means that welcome. Okay, and they were all amazed to see my loner, and they were so amazed. They were so shocked and surprised to see that vehicle जिसपे गौरव जानी जा रहे थे, that is the partner, motorcycle, वो देख के वो बहुत शॉक हो गए, सरप्राइज हो गए. Everyone wanted me to come to their home. और जो बच्चे थे, all the children, they wanted, like they were saying that you come to my house, you come to my house. So everyone wanted Gaurav Jani to visit to everyone's house. So one of the boy must have taken him. So next is what? At home with Tashi. Now at home with so here what is he doing now? See, that boy took the Gaurav Jani to his house. Tashi dragged me to his home. It was a building with 2 floors. The house was made of stones which were kept one over the other. Now see, Tashi what he did? He dragged मतलब खींचना. Now he dragged me to his home. It was a building with 2 floors. Tashi's house was of 2 floors, first floor and second floor. And the house was made of stones. किससे बना था वो? Stones. हमारे जो घर है, it is made up of bricks. Yes or no? Bricks and cements. But here the house was made up of stones which were kept one over the other. और जो पत्थर होते हैं, rocks होते हैं, एक के ऊपर एक ऐसे रखा हुआ था, and it was built with of 2 floors. Okay. The walls were coated with a thick layer of mud and lime. और वो जो दीवार थी उनकी, after keeping the stones, after arranging the stones, they had covered it with the what? Thick layer of mud. मिट्टी से वो पूरा जो पत्थर था वो कवर किया था. हमने भी अभी हमारे घर पे भी अगर हम देखेंगे, we have that bricks. Yes or no? Bricks के वॉल होते हैं और ऊपर से हम क्या लगाते हैं? सीमेंट लगा के पेंट करते हैं. And in this way they were coated with a thick layer. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा लेयर था of mud and lime. Lime मतलब जो चूना चूना होता है, white paint, white cement. Okay, so that it was painted with that, it was coated with that. The house looked like a shed from inside with lot of hay. बाहर से हम देखेंगे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ शेड है क्या, वो जैसे कि हम विलेज में देखते हैं काऊ के लिए एक शेड होता है जहाँ पे घास पड़ा होता है. ये सुनो, the grass is fallen, the dry grass and everything, fodder is kept there for, so that kind of shade. That Gaurav felt that this is a shade, but it was not actually shade. Okay, and there was lot of hay stored there. hay मतलब क्या, जो घास होती है ना, घास को जो हम एनिमल्स को देते हैं खाने के लिए, गाय वगैरह, गोट वगैरह को देते हैं. So that, okay, so they were stored there. We took the wooden steps and reached the first floor. अभी हमारे घर में हम जाएंगे तो सीमेंट और या तो फिर what we can say marble, different types of tiles and different types of floorings are used to make the steps. जो हमारे steps होते हैं iron bars लगा के वगैरह. But here in Tashi's house, the floor was, the wooden steps were made. The steps were how? It was wooden. Okay, they and reached the first floor. This is where we stay, explained Tashi. Okay, so the steps were made of wooden steps. Okay, wooden means the लकड़ी का बना हुआ था. And reached the first floor. This is where we stay, explained Tashi. And Tashi ने बताया कि हाँ ये हमारी जगह है. That means they used to stay on the first floor. The ground floor is for our animals and for storing necessary things. उन्होंने क्या बताया कि हम यहाँ पे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे रहते हैं और हमारा ग्राउंड फ्लोर जो है वो हम एनिमल्स के लिए रखे हुए हैं, और जो थिंग्स हमको लगते हैं वो हम स्टोर रूम जैसे हम ग्राउंड फ्लोर को बनाए हैं. Sometimes when it gets too cold, we also move downstairs. I noticed that the ground floor had no windows. Okay, sometimes when it gets too cold, we also move downstairs. Means what? They are staying on the first floor and one more floor is there, that is the second floor. But when it is very cold, what they do? They move to the downstairs. That means the ground floor. Okay, I noticed that the ground floor had no windows, and Gaurav Jani was observing everything that the downstairs, that means the ground floor had no windows, and that's why it was very warm. It was very hot and warm, and to stay in the cold climate, they used to come down to stay in the ground floor. Thick tree trunks were used to make the roof strong. What were used to make the roof strong? हमारे यहाँ पे छत पे क्या डालते हैं हम? सीमेंट का स्लैब डालते हैं. But there what they used to do? They used to make use the thick tree trunks to make the roof strong. Tree trunks मतलब बड़े बड़े जो झाड़ होते हैं उनके जो branches बड़े बड़े thick जो ट्रंक होते हैं लकड़ी, वो उन्होंने ऊपर डाल के रूफ को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाया. Tashi then took me the roof of his house. Tashi then took me to the roof of the house, means he took on the second floor, that is the roof of the house. And from there he was watching all the environment. What a view! I could see the same flat roofs all around, and seemed like Tashi's house, everyone's house had a flat roof. Okay, then on some red chilies were laid out to dry, and on some there were orange pumpkins and golden yellow corns. So on the roof, on the flat roof, what he noticed, he saw that there were red chilies. जो हम भी कभी-कभी गीले मिर्ची होती है ना, ग्रीन रेड चिलीज, हम क्या करते हैं, मम्मी क्या करते हैं, उसको बाहर धूप में डालते हैं, टेरेस पे डालते हैं या आंगन में डाल के सुखाते हैं इसको. ये सुनो, in the same way Gaurav Jani also observed that everyone's roof flat it was, है ना, and on the flat roof they were making the things, some things were made dry there, like red chilies, then again orange pumpkins, yellow corns. These all things were dried in on the roof. Some had stacks of paddy and some cow dung cakes were laid out to dry. और कोई रूफ पे ऐसे चीज थे जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं ना गेहूं के जो थैलियां होती हैं सैक्स, ये सुनो, दोज वेर केप्ट. कोई रूफ पे उन्होंने वो देखा कि कोई वो सुखा रहा है, एंड सम ऑफ देम वर मेकिंग द काउ डंग केक्स एंड ड्राइंग देम. काउ डंग केक्स यानी क्या, जो हम बोलते हैं ना उपले बोलते हैं ना, जलाने के लिए. हाँ, दैट दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर हाउस, सेड ताशी. और ताशी ने क्या बताया कि ये जो है ये हमारा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन वी ड्राई मेनी फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. और क्यों उनका स्पेशल एंड इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है? वाई? बिकॉज दे यूज्ड टू ड्राई एंड व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल स्टोर देम। जैसे कि हम गेहूं और चावल जो ग्रेन्स होते हैं उनके पोते ला के रख देते हैं घर में, उनकी ढेरियां ला के रख देते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि हम बार बार नहीं ला सकते, एक ही बार हम स्टोर करके रख देते हैं क्योंकि वो खराब नहीं हो सकता है। बट दे यूज्ड टू स्टोर द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स व्हिच ड्यूरिंग द विंटर्स। विंटर में वो उनको मिलता नहीं है, इसलिए वो क्या करते हैं, दे ड्राई द fruits and vegetables on the roof so that they can use in the winter. As I stood there with Tashi, I could see how every part of the house was built specially to suit the needs of his people. I could understand how the thick walls, wooden floor and a wooden ceiling protected them from the cold. And उन्होंने ये भी देखा, I also stood there with Tashi and I could see every part of the house was built how, especially to suit the needs of the people. मतलब हर एक रूम कुछ ना कुछ उनको स्पेशलाइजेशन था। जैसे कि ग्राउंड फ्लोर दे हैड स्टोर्ड एंड केप्ट द एनिमल्स, इन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर दे यूज्ड टू लीव एंड ऑन द सेकंड फ्लोर दैट वाज अ फ्लैट रूफ एंड they used to make the use of the flat roof for drying the vegetables and fruits. So every part of the room had special some of the other things, okay, that suits the needs of the people. And the thick walls, the wooden floor and the wooden ceiling protected them from the cold. जो छत जो था, roof जो था, it was of wooden. The steps were of the wooden. The floor was of the wooden, and because of this it was warm. इसलिए वो गर्म रहता था. Okay. Then during winters, Tashi and his family live on the ground floor. Why would they be doing so? You have to recall and you have to answer. What is the roof of your house like? तुम्हारे घर में जो छत है वो किसका है, किस चीज से बना है? What all is the roof used for? Okay. Now turn the page number 124. Next is people living on top of the world. Next we are going to see people living on top of the world. What does it mean? People living on top of the world. What is the meaning of this? Okay, we'll see through this. We'll read the paragraph. Now was the time to climb higher. Yes, now it was the time to climb higher. See, you can see people living on the top of the world. Top of the world मतलब क्या? We all usually stay on plain land. Yes or no? But those who are staying on the mountains, those who are staying on the high hilly regions, so they are called as people living on the top of the world. So now was the time to climb higher. So now Gaurav Jani, he went everywhere with Tashi. He saw his house and everything. Now it was the time to climb the mountains and he went higher, climbing the mountain. Loner had a tough time zigzagging all narrow, rocky mountain roads. At many places there were no roads at all. And Loner, his motorcycle, he was tired going zigzag on the mountains. The big stones were there and the roads were not so clear. At many times places there were no roads at all. And you know, mountains means there are no roads. Okay, it is made, the rocks are there, the stones are there. Okay, so the loner also was tired of going zigzag. I was moving towards the rocky plains of Changkang. This place is at height of almost 5,000 meters. It is so high that it is difficult to breathe normally. I had a headache and felt weak. What happened? As he was moving on the rocky plains of Changkang. Changkang is a place of a, is a name of a place. Sorry, is a name of a place. This place is how? This is a height of 5,000 meters, not 1 or 1,000 or 2,000, but it is of 5,000 meters. You can imagine how high it was, and it was so high that now, if you think also, you must have seen in the Discovery Channel or on the TV also that as you go higher on the mountain, you are facing problems to breathe because the air is so heavy and so what we can say the heavy and strong winds are there, and you cannot even breathe normally. Okay, and same thing happened with Gaurav Jani. As he was climbing on the mountains, he felt like breathing. मतलब उनको breathe लेने में थोड़ा सा problem हो रहा था और weak पड़ गए थे क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन उनको जितना sufficient मतलब ऑक्सीजन जैसे चाहिए था वैसे नहीं मिल रहा था. Okay, then I slowly got used to breathing in such air. और धीरे धीरे वो थोड़ा सा जैसे ही चढ़ते गए and he got habituated with that. And for many days we kept wandering in this area with not a single human strong for the human beings to survive there. So there were no petrol pumps, there were no mechanics, only the blue sky and the river, the lakes and the ponds nearby the area. Okay. Many days and nights passed. Loner and I kept moving ahead. Suddenly one morning I saw before me flat grassy land. Many sheep and goats were grazing there. Far in the distance I saw some tents. I wondered who lived there and what they were doing in this far out place. Many days and nights passed. They stayed there only. वो वहीं पे रहे और थोड़े दिन गुजरने के बाद what happened? Loner and I kept moving ahead and slowly they started moving to other places. These two means the Gaurav Jani, the traveler, and his partner, that is the loner, they slowly they went on moving to some other places. Suddenly one morning I saw before me the flat grassy land. Grassy land मतलब तुम लोग जब ट्रेन में से जाते होंगे fields वगैरह दिखेंगे. If you see mountains, sometimes you will see the flat plain dry grass is there. Okay, and so in this way this he also saw a grassy land जहाँ पे grass देखो land दिखा. Many sheep and goats were grazing there. Grazing मतलब जो sheep and goats जो घास खाते हैं ना वो वहाँ पे खा रहे थे. Feeding मतलब वो खुद को feed कर रहे थे by eating the grass.